Okay, so once you get your quick selection made, then is Control Shift I to invert the selection. So now you just have the outline around the picture that you're using. Then you want to go to Select. And that was another roadblock that I ran into with the older version of Photoshop. Go to Select. Go down here to Select and Mask. And over here on the right, you want to choose Smart Radius. And then move that up a little bit. Just move it up some off of 0. And then scroll this down to the bottom. And you want your output selection to be New Layer with Layer Mask. And then click OK. And the background goes away. So now we want to add a new canvas that we're going to move our picture over to. So Control N. You make that 8.5 by 11. Make sure this is on inches. If it's on pixels, it's not going to show up right. You'll get an error. So 8.5 by 11 inches. You click on the block over here to make that black or keep it black. And hopefully, voila, it's black. So now we've got a blank black canvas. And then we've got our picture over here. I just clicked back over on the other side. So now we want to move this over to this one. So we'll go to the Move tool. So click on that. And then go to your picture, hold in on the mouse, drag it up till it switches over, then still dragging it back down, holding on the Shift. And it puts it right in the middle. If it's small, you can resize that by going up here to Edit, Free Transform. Then you'll be able to drag it around. You can hold in on the Shift key while you're moving it, and it should keep it from being distorted too much. Mine's going to be off. I didn't pick the best picture. I just wanted something that would be a good example. And so once you get it about where you want it, you can let go of the Shift key, then go up here to the check mark and click on that to get it locked into place. Then I'm going to go down here to the bottom right, click on layers so it shows my layers. Okay, now on the next step, there was some blending in stuff. I'm going to skip those for this one. So you go up here to the marquee tool. Make sure it's on the rectangle. If it's not, right click on your mouse to get your other options up. Then go to your picture. Just select about half of it. I know I've got over half. You get that, and then go down to the bottom right and click on the icon for new layer. And then I don't remember the next step after this one. I believe it was, let me go back to that to get the list of steps. I want to stop screen sharing, but for some reason it does. Not happy moving over to this other computer. Things don't seem to work as the way I want them to. Get the length of the directions. Yeah, here's the pass. So we are right about in here. Okay, Command D, Control D. That's the one I was going to push, but I didn't want to mess up where I was at. So once you get your selection made, Control D, and I did not get that locked in. I got a chat question. Let's see what's going on. My chat box won't come up. Yeah, if you think you got this one under control and can get it finished, you don't have to stick around. Let's delete this layer. Marquee tool. Do our selection again. Directions. Alt delete. We put in our new layer. That's like Alt delete. And it shows up white, and it shouldn't. That seems to be the big roadblock. Come on. See, this went off without a hitch yesterday. So Murphy's Law. There we go. Paint fill. Then get that one. Delete. Then Command D. Control D. Control D. There we go. So we've got that. Now we'll do our text tool. Text. I've got it on 52. Well, I'm going to decrease that. 48. Change my font color to white. And then make sure it's aligned right. Start up here somewhere where you're you gotta make sure your letters fit on the picture so they're all so they all show up. On the example that I had yesterday, I was still missing the R. So I think I still might be too big. Change it to 36. There we go. Remember, it's garbage can not garbage cannot. Fun phrase from Oscar the Grouch. Oscar 2020. All right, so we got our text on there. So now I'll push in on Control and then click on the text, our text layer. So that's selected. And then click on the eyeball to make the text layer hidden. And we still have our outline of our letters. So we go down to our layer below that. And if everything works out right, that should just delete what's been outlined in the text. And look at that. So you get done with that. Click somewhere to get it inactivated. And there is the text with the clipping out of the text. So I know this thing was an issue over here with this showing up white. And then, I just clicked on the box here and a couple times, took a couple tries, click on the box and bucket fill and get that to turn black. So just play around with it long enough. Eventually the clicks happen at the right time in the right spots. But your text should all be, the outline should all be cut out so you can see your picture behind all the fonts. Or on the instructions, you can use your blending tool to blend the edges. That's probably the easiest part. That's why I didn't go through those. It was just, I just wanted to get through the hurdle of the left side of the picture being black. Having the black background over here to match the other background.